guys, welcome back to my channel for a quick video. Thanks for joining me once again. I have a midweek money drop bonus that is included in this video, and I know it's coming out a little bit late, but all the deals I did in this video can still be done if you have any offer that you still want to complete. And if you're here for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's go find some deals. I went to Albertsons first, and I picked up the True Mood chocolate milk on sale for $3.99, and Ibotta is giving back $4.50. That will make this item free and 50 cents money maker. And that's the only item I picked up from Albertsons. Now let's look at the deals I did at Walmart. The first three items I picked up is Glade. They are priced at $2.38, and Ibotta is giving back $1.50 for each one, limit of 3. I'm going to max the deal. I'll pick up 3, and that will total $7.14. And when I submit my receipt to Ibotta, I'll get back $1.50 on each one times 3. That will be $4.50 coming back from Ibotta, making them $2.64 or 88 cents each. The next item I have will be the Pleasant drink. They are on rollback for $1.67, and there are some 75 cents hang tag on them. Now, Ibotta is also giving back 75 cents, limit of 5. I'm going to pick up 2 for a total of $3.34. Use 2 75 cents hang tag. That will take off $1.50. Then I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I'll get back 75 cents on each one. That means I'm getting back $1.50 from Ibotta. After the Ibotta rebate, these two will end up costing just 34 cents or 17 cents each. My next deal is the Starry Lemon Lime Soda. They are priced at $2.38, and Ibotta is giving back $1.25 on each, limit of 5. But I'll pick up 2, and both will total $4.76. Then I'll get back $1.25 for each one of them. That means I'll get back $2.50, making them just $2.26 or $1.13 each. The next item I have is the Tyson Buffalo Style Hot Wings, priced at $8.47, and Ibotta is giving back $3, making it just $5.47. The last item I have before I check out is the Tyson Crispy Wings, priced at $7.87, and Ibotta is giving back $2, making it $5.87. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. The only thing I can suggest if you're picking up the Pleasant drinks and you have the 75 cents coupon is to pick up the Tropical Punch. That's the only one that's scanned for the 75 cents coupon. Apart from that, every other thing worked out. I paid $30.28, and I got back $13.50 and $5 for finishing the midweek money drop bonus. And I'm also tracking for the Berry Sweet Bug bonus. I only need 9 more to complete this offer. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.